Greetings, everyone. My name is Kimberly Mcfarlane, and I am the founder of Money Mindset Mentors and a certified financial education instructor. A few months ago, I attended the Bronco Square Barbershop event where the residents and the community leaders came together. My takeaway from that event was that the constituents of North Carolina would greatly benefit from a program that provides financial empowerment. My program is designed to educate, equip, and empower individuals, families, and entrepreneurs with a three-part system, which includes a financial lifelong e-learning software, educational workshops, conferences, and mentorship, and a 5-strategy cash flow system designed to create wealth. When implemented, individuals begin to see positive results in their lives immediately. The famous Chinese proverb states, "If you give a man a fish, he eats for a day. If you teach him how to fish, he eats for a lifetime." I had the privilege of partnering with the National Financial Educators Council and myEcon, the Personal Financial Success Company, in the effort to end poverty. For the last 14 years, billionaire myEcon founder Ivy Stokes and multi-millionaire co-founder Alvin has successfully implemented a system to create generational wealth. myEcon is a membership-based organization. The founders created what is known as income shifting. The income shifting strategy teaches, number 1, how to achieve a 750 credit score. 2, how to eliminate debt. 3, how to minimize taxes. 4, how to reduce expenses. 5, how to generate business and investment income. Over the past few months, I have met with key leaders who attended that event. They all foresee what I had to offer, and they are excited about the solution. Now, the founder of myEcon have agreed to conduct a series of free financial wellness workshops in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I am reaching out to you to invite you to our upcoming event on November 3rd at Methodist University. During this workshop, you will receive life-changing information. I ask that you take a look at this information to make an informed decision and register now to reserve your seat. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact me via my contact information below. Be well.